Number 9. A chainsaw. Pro tip to all you lumberjacks and lumberjills out there, traveling with a chainsaw as checked luggage is apparently perfectly fine. Just make sure it's not gassed up.
I put up with a lot. But one thing I won't put up with is a chainsaw that always breaks down.
In 2012, a man tried to board a flight at New York's Elmira Corning Regional Airport with a chainsaw in his carry-on when he was stopped by airport security. But did they confiscate his tool, worried that he'd do something like this? No. All he needed to do was empty out the reservoir and send it to checked baggage, and he was allowed to get on with his trip.